I got a cool package today. Yes, you guys, that is my background. It is my kitchen. Welcome everyone back to the episode. Today we're doing an unboxing. A really good unboxing. I haven't had one of these ever, so I'm pretty excited. Got my box cutter, cause yellow. Nobody says yellow, no one? Okay, cool. So as you can see right now, I'm taking care of my kid at the same time. We're gonna go to the park or something. Wifey's asleep because she had just got off work. And this box is big. So it's an unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you what it's gonna go with too. I might hit the microphone. Yes. Ooh, and this is for the car. You know, I told you guys I was gonna rarely buy anything for my car. Well, this one's for my car, guys. So it's a pretty damn big box. So, all right. So you guys can't really see nothing. Good. So in the box, there's just foam. But what's really in the box? Ta-da! NRG Innovations. I got a steering wheel off of eBay. Really good price. Probably throw the link on there. If I can learn how to open this. How to open this? Okay. Struggling to open this. I'm legit opening this right now. I just got it from the mail. I had to hunt down the mailman because I was gonna go somewhere. Oh, it fell. So it is brand number RST009S. My goodness. Okay, so it is a really well packaged. It says, this is definitely not a knockoff. It says thank you for trusting our brand. So really excited. This is an NRG steering wheel, but I'll be right back. I gotta go show you what I'm gonna plug it into first. All right, so first I got an off-brand hub, small hub. It's an off-brand. I don't know what brand it is, but it fits the Subaru. Hold on, oh, enough of you guys are talking smack about the shirt. It's almost Christmas time. And as you can see, I have a quick release on top of it. What kind of quick release? I love the neochrome, so I had to pick it out this color. The quick releases brand is, and if you are in the car scene, you probably know about this brand. It is a 6-speed brand. Comes with hardware. And then this is the actual part that goes into the steering wheel. It's an amazing color. It looks really good in person. Look at that. This is where the steering wheel goes. So I will do that later. I will install the wheel later. I don't really have everything to put it on there. Like I have, I don't have a resistor, but I don't know if the airbag thing pops up on my car. So we shall see. But all right, this looks really good. All right, just make sure there's nothing else on here. No, it's just the foam that holds the actual steering wheel. And then, as you can see, it's the cover. Oh my God, I'm really taking this for joy. All right, let's uncover it like we uncover our girls. Ooh. And I got the D shape, and it's a suede color, or suede. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh, it looks way better than the fucking. This looks way better than what it did in the picture. Oof. And I feel like it's the same size, but it's a D shape, so it's not gonna hit my knees. Oh, that's so good. Look at that. It comes with the horn and everything. Oh, you can hear, look. There goes my son in the background playing. Really excited to install this. I am not going to install it today. I just wanted to unbox it and have my first reactions to it because I literally just got it about 10 minutes ago. I've had this for about 2 weeks, and I was hesitant to buy the wheel because Corona and all that stuff that's making me watch my spending. But I had a little extra left over, and I just couldn't wait. I had to do something fun for myself. This is gonna give me a headache to install though, and I will show you guys when I start installing it. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing and this reaction, dude, this thing looks awesome. Like super good. Look at that. Please subscribe and like down below. Leave a comment. Yes. What happened? I gotta go. Sons are calling. Peace.